Today, we're making garlic Parmesan cheese sauce. This is an easy recipe. You're going to love it on so many things. We start with a head of garlic and drizzle it with olive oil. Put it in foil and roast for 45 minutes at 400 degrees. The garlic comes out soft, sweet, and fragrant. Squeeze the garlic to get it out of the skin, and then we mash it into a really fine paste. You can use a fork for this. Assemble the rest of the ingredients before you start the sauce. It goes quick. Start with melted butter and then add the garlic paste. Next comes crushed red pepper flakes, thyme, and rosemary. Whisk it until it comes together and it's really fragrant, and then add a little heavy cream. I add about a quarter cup at a time. As it boils, the sauce thickens. Make sure you mix it in really well so it's evenly combined, adding cream a little at a time and seasoning with salt and pepper. When you get down to the rest of the cream, then you add the Parmesan cheese. This melts with the hot sauce and it creates this decadent, lush, rich sauce that's going to go great over chicken breasts, tossed with pasta. You can even use it as a sauce for dipping chicken wings. If you've ever had a problem with your kids eating veggies, drizzle this over the broccoli. I guarantee they'll love it. Try this soon. Enjoy.